Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you some amazing and natural ways to make your lips pink and juicy. If you're ready to get soft, hydrated lips without any harsh chemicals, keep watching Exfoliate. Regularly exfoliation removes dead skin cells, making your lips softer and more vibrant. DIY Lip Scrub. Mix honey and sugar for a natural scrub. Gently massage it on your lips in circular motions for 1 to 2 minutes, then rinse off. This will not only exfoliate but also hydrate your lips. Lip brushing. Use a soft toothbrush to lightly brush your lips with a little coconut oil or honey. This helps in exfoliating the lips gently and stimulates blood circulation. Hydrate and moisturize. Dry lips can look dull and chapped, so keeping them moisturized is crucial for a plump and pink appearance. Coconut oil or almond oil. Both are natural moisturizers. Apply a thin layer before bed to keep your lips hydrated overnight. Lip balms with SPF. Choose a lip balm that provides hydration and has sun protection. SPF helps protect your lips from damage and darkening due to sun exposure. Stay hydrated. Drinking. Plenty of water throughout the day will keep your lips from becoming dry and flaky. Healthy, hydrated lips naturally look pinker and plumper. Use natural lip masks, honey and lemon mask. Honey has moisturizing properties, and lemon acts as a natural exfoliant. Apply a small amount of honey mixed with a few drops of lemon juice on your lips and leave it on for 10-15 minutes before rinsing off. Cucumber slices. Cucumber is soothing and can help hydrate your lips. Place thin slices on your lips for a cooling effect and to promote hydration. Massage your lips gently. Massaging your lips can help stimulate blood circulation, giving them a healthier, fuller appearance. You can use your fingertips and a little coconut oil or a natural lip balm to massage in circular motions for about 2 minutes. Eat a healthy diet. A diet rich in vitamins, especially vitamin C, from fruits like oranges and strawberries, and vitamin E, from nuts and seeds, helps promote skin health. Healthy lips often reflect the nutrition you're consuming. Avoid harmful habits. Quit smoking. Smoking can darken lips over time, so quitting will help keep them naturally pink. Avoid licking your lips. This can cause dryness and irritation, leading to dull lips. By combining these natural methods, you can achieve pink, soft, and juicy lips with consistent care. Thanks for watching, beauties. I hope these tips help you achieve the perfect pink and plump lips. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more beauty tips. See you in the next video. Stay beautiful and keep glowing.